That felt good. Even though I couldn't get my leg on there, that felt really good. I know what I got to do. I got to be able to pick up my leg enough to get it over the damn bike, which has always been a problem. I'm not very limber. That's a tight spot too. I would try it, but I don't have anybody here to pick me up if I fall. If I knock my bike over. I could be pinned under my bike. Then what do I do? But I know where I'm at. I know where I need to be. I just need to do some exercise and then get myself back into shape.